hoe, she special. Get her the diamonds, they came with a bezel. Yeah, she a rider, I give her a medal. She my little shorty, I know she a rebel. I know that she feeling the kiss. See the young nigga is making her heavy. Pop home.
Okay, I feel like y'all know exactly what I'm about to say right now, but y'all probably don't, honestly. I'm just coming out here to film a new intro for this video because the footage got deleted. My intro, putting the cap on, spraying the cap, cutting the cap, putting the makeup on the cap, all that is gone, wiped. And honestly, I promise y'all I'm getting a hard drive. That's not gonna happen anymore, I swear. The video starts at me putting the glue on my forehead on like the cap, which I feel like is still, you know, I just decided to still post the video because, you know, y'all can still, at the end of the day, it's not a tutorial, it's just me installing the wig. So I'm still gonna post a video. I just wanted to let y'all know that footage was deleted on accident, my fault. But I really hope y'all still enjoyed the video. This was my first time doing a video like this, and this was my second time installing a wig. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Mwah. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. I need to change my battery again. Okay. I'm gonna watch the video to see what the next step is. I already told me to cut a little bit off. Some more off. Is it too late? Let me just cut a little bit. I'm gonna spray it down again just a little bit, and then this is what we're looking like. We're looking good. Okay, I'm about to clean up just a little bit. I'm not using this right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put makeup on the lace while I have makeup on my hands. I'm gonna go ahead and put makeup on the lace so that it's, you know, my color. I might put some more, honestly. I don't know. It look kind of white at the front. I'm gonna dry it off too. I'm just putting it on, you know, the lace. I'll show y'all when it's done. That should be good. Okay, so now I'm about to just put the wig on just to see like where I want it at. Then makeup is getting all on my hands. Oh my god, do y'all see that batch? That's crazy. I think I might have to cut. Actually, no, I think I might be good actually. I might have to cut more of the cap off for sure right here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut some more off of that. Too close. I'm gonna have to do the whole spraying process again. So I'm gonna just get back to y'all when, like, I'm actually about to start going, so I'm not just, you know. Okay, y'all, so I'm back and I did the whole, you know, making sure that I didn't have too much cap. Now I'm about to start gluing, which I'm actually quite scared for, but it's going good so far, so we just got to see. I'm just gonna follow the video said, so I'm gonna just do dots. And I'm gonna let it like dry clear. Whatever, I'm gonna use the back of this.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear.
My edges are poking through just a little bit. Hopefully I don't lose them. That's not funny, but you know.
Slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner.
It's turning freaking blue, y'all. What the heck? Can y'all see that? That's crazy. It's turning blue. But in between each layer, I'm just gonna blow dry on low.
Cat nigga can't even see me on winds. She fight a flight, nigga, win this cat. She fight a flight, run away out of here. She fight a flight, nigga, can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Hermes, ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swaggin'. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a begging. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud, I've been out of the
part that takes the longest, like blow dry, like waiting for the glue to dry clear. Like it's clear right here, but it just won't dry over here, and I'm so tired of blow drying. I'm so tired.
They looking the same, they copy my lingo, they biting my chain.
Okay, y'all, so honestly, I think this is clear enough. Y'all, I've been drying for I don't know how long. Like it has to be 30 minutes. Has to be. But it's clear, so I think I'm gonna just glue it on. It's just like a little, like right there. But Other than that, it's clear like all around. Already said 2 layers of glue is fine. So we're about to just glue it down. I have my wig band right here so I could, you know, go ahead and get to the melting. So wish me luck, bro.
Look at her. Look at her, mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah.
And I find like the baby hairs and pull them forward before I tie the band down.
It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Alright, I'm gonna tie the wig band on like this. For about like 10 minutes and then I'm gonna take it off. Okay, y'all, 10 minutes is up. Now I'm about to take this off and see what it's looking like. I'm kind of scared, but like I'm actually doing pretty good, so I'm happy. Ooh. Okay. It looks good. My ears is crusty. Okay, so now I'm about to try to separate my edges, like do my edges. Okay, so I think what I'm about to do now is get my hot comb, because I have this down here, my sideburns. And over here too. So I'm gonna get my hot comb. I think I'm done with the blow dryer, so I'm gonna put that up. And now what I'm about to do is like hot comb my edges like down, if that makes sense. Hopefully I don't burn myself. I'm gonna hot comb my edges down, and then I'm going to put this on. Well, y'all will see. And then put the band back on. So.
And then they been begging for shit style. Keep my hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she riding. This nigga's all years old. Shawty know to drive it low like a demo. Every time we kick it like tempo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah.
Now I'm about to go in with this, and I'm just gonna spray it on my finger and then spray it on the lace and then tie the band back down.
Like, oh yeah, G-Wagon or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on the go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want the shit with your head at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top.
And I'm gonna do it for another 10 minutes. Make sure my edges are down. And I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm taking it off. I think what I'm about to do while this band is on my head is go ahead and like do the whole flattening process with the wax stick and the hot comb. So I'm about to just, oh, I got lint in my hair. I'm about to just like do the layers and then like do the wax stick and the hot comb to make it flat, because I like the flat look. I think it looks really cute, so I'm gonna try that. Somebody said that mousse helps, so I'm gonna try that. Like somebody said mousse is better, like if you put mousse on it. To like flatten it. But I don't want it to like sizzle, you know? It's flat though. Alright, I'm just gonna keep doing this until I guess I get to the top. But I'm gonna I'm gonna do the same thing on both sides too. I'm gonna speed this part up though.
I just take it day by day. Never hearing what they say. I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got is in pages.
Do y'all see the difference? How this side is flat and this side is bumpy? That's what you want. So I'm gonna do the other side next.
Hearing what they say. I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got is in pages. Talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. I think I forgot. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. Don't wait. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whatever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Better today than yesterday. I just take it day by day.
Period.
Oh, but that's late.
Book me.
Look, her.
Let me go get the thing so I can do my edges. Okay, y'all, so next I'm about to, well, the last thing that I'm about to do is curl my edges and do them, and then define my part like with the makeup. But other than that, it looks really good. I think girl ate down. I think I should really book me. So when I really like learn how to do wigs for real, I'm gonna start servicing that for sure. I have some hairs that are like stuck to my face right now.
I don't take nothing from that girl. She always with her hands on my stuff. Bring me some lotion.
Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. Don't wait. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whatever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Better today than yesterday. I just
Going
take it
somewhere.
day by day.
Oh!
And then he only put it on the
I burnt myself. I'm weak. Okay, time to lay. Where's mine? I'm going to be using this for the edges. And then I just have an edge brush. Hopefully the edges aren't too big. I don't like my edges too big.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car.
I'm not gonna lie, this shit is eating down.
Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn,
I might cut this. Y'all, we're almost done. What time is it? It is 12:50, y'all. And I started at 9:30. What? The last thing I'm gonna do, y'all, is define my part with this makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna be done.
Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time.
All right, let's take this clip down and see what we're looking like. I'm not gonna style it or anything tonight just because I'm about to go to sleep, so there's no point. But I am gonna like brush it a little bit. Have a lint in it. That's crazy. I really did a good job. I'm so proud of myself. All right, guys. So I'm done, and it looks really, really good. Like, can y'all see? Do y'all see? This is my second time in reinstalling a wig, but the last time it didn't look good, like I told y'all. But this time it actually looks really good. Like, I did the edges and everything. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. Hopefully this helped y'all if y'all are trying to reinstall a wig. But yeah, if y'all want to see more hair videos like this, let me know, because it's honestly shocking that I do hair but I've never done like hair content on YouTube. It's always TikTok. But if y'all want to see more hair videos, let me know in the comments down below. Comment down below video ideas y'all want to see from me next, or you can DM me on Instagram. I'll leave my social medias in the description box down below, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.